Hello and welcome to Quickstep for Beginners Lesson 3. Today we will learn natural spin turn. And let's meet our demonstrators, Robert and Katrina.
Hi, we are excited to show these dance steps for you.
And we hope you will enjoy this lesson.
And we start with natural spin turn, but without turn. Man starts with right foot forward to side, close, and with left foot rock back, rock forward, rock back. Now let's look at lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close with right foot, rock forward, rock back, rock forward. And now with close hold and body contact, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. And again, from another angle, in close hold and body contact, and slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. And now we will do rocks separately without turn, and now we add turn to right, and we continue with small amount of turn to right. Now let's add this turn to our exercise. We do preparation step, then forward, side, close, a rock, a rock, a rock with turn. And now lady steps. Lady also starts with a preparation step. She collects a right foot, steps back, and then back to side, close, a rock, brush, and forward step. Man's footwork, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, toe is correct. Toe is a wrong version, and again correct heel, toe, toe, heel. Heel, toe, 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 heel, heel, toe is correct version, toe is wrong version, again correct version, heel, toe, and toe, heel. Lady starts with left foot, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, 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 heel. Again, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, 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 heel. Now let's look how lady does brush. So we do brush without turn, and then we dance brush with turn. And this is correct version of ending for natural spin. Again, brush without turn, and we turn and finish natural spin turn. And our routine, preparation step, then we dance natural spin turn and progressive chasse, then lock step forward, and again forward lock step from beginning, natural spin turn, progressive chasse, forward lock step, and once again forward lock step. And with teaching count 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators, Robert and Katrina, and also special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and learn personally from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed today's video and see you in the next dance videos.